Wagwan guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for a way to make money online, I mean real money in dollars, Amazon FBA is one of the very best options out there. Imagine you earn in a strong currency like dollars and you work from anywhere in the world. Yes, I mean anywhere in the world. People make hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month cashing out and don't even have to touch the product that they sell. The best part is that there are ready buyers in the US for you to make money from selling to them on Amazon remotely. Did you know that a whopping 2 out of every 3 Americans shop on Amazon? So if you are not tapping into Amazon's massive customer base, you are really missing out. Now, before you start thinking, is it even possible to do this from a country like Nigeria or from Africa? The answer to you is yes. You don't need to be in the United States. You don't need a warehouse. You don't even need to handle the shipping yourself. Amazon does the hard work for you. Your job is to find the right product, which I'm going to teach you in this video. So get the right product listed and the money starts coming in. Let me break it down exactly how you can start choosing the right product. The first and the most crucial step is picking the right product for you. If you choose the wrong one, you will waste time and money, and that is why I'm here for you. You want a product that 1, people are buying a lot, 2, doesn't have much competition, 3, can give you a good profit after paying Amazon's fee. So how do you find a product like this? First, you can actually use research tools like Jungle Scout or Helium 10. But if you don't want to spend money on tools, there is a free way to go about it. Go on Amazon and look at best sellers in different categories. Check the review. If a product has thousands of reviews, it means that people are buying it a lot. Look for gaps. Maybe a product that has good sales but bad reviews. If you can sell a better version of that product, you can win the prospective customers. That means customers are looking for a good product in that specific niche. Maybe I should explain this product part a bit more, because if you get this part right, you've hit gold and can build a profitable passive business that you don't have to have your hands on. Take wireless earbud for example. The demand for them keeps climbing. Search volume jumped 30% in 2024 alone. People love options like Jabra Elite 75, Air 2 Pro, and the Tro Smart Apollo both. They sell fast and the profit margin is solid. Phone accessories are another safe bet. Then there is home office gears. Since 2019, search volume for these products has skyrocketed by 150%, and with more people working from home, that's not slowing down anytime soon. Health and wellness products also do insanely well on Amazon. Think vitamin D3 supplements, collagen, peptides, essential oil diffusers, organic green teas, and natural face serums. People will always spend money on their health, making this a reliable niche for you. Another niche you can consider is reusable water bottle market is set to hit $10.6 billion by 2025. Look up stuffs like collapsible silicone bottles and sport bottles with high demands. If you want a niche with long-term potential, consider baby products. Baby products are where the money is. The market is expected to hit about $88.2 billion by 2026. Some of the best-selling items include smart baby monitors, eco-friendly diapers, and baby food maker. Parents spend so much money on their kids, so this niche is always buzzing. Pet supplies are another gold mine you can consider, especially with pet tech gadgets trending hard. Top seller includes automatic feeders, grooming tools, pet cameras, and GPS trackers. And I can't possibly forget organic skincare. Yeah, since people in countries like the United States are dishing chemical-heavy products for natural alternatives. So organic facial cleansers, anti-aging serums, organic lip balms, and chemical-free sunscreens are killing it right now. They are products you can also consider. So as you are getting into Amazon FBA, don't just sell anything, Pick products that are already in high demand, products that have good profit margins for you and can keep your customers returning for more. Another thing you should consider when selecting the kind of product you decide to sell is how heavy it is, because weight would actually affect the shipping cost. For example, if you sell a phone and a phone is much lighter, I'm not asking you to sell a phone on Amazon, but a phone is much lighter and it is expensive. Like, you can get more profit margin on it than maybe like selling a furniture. A piece of furniture will be heavier. That means you are going to incur more shipping cost on that piece of furniture. Although overall, just check whether it is profitable for you. We will get into that in a bit. But before I proceed, please don't forget to hit the like button at this point. And if you are not subscribed to this YouTube channel, I can guarantee that you would get value for it. I think you should do that right about now. I'm waiting. Okay, thank you. Let's proceed. My pro tip for you to be safe in Amazon FBA is to order just one sample first. Make sure it is good, it works well, and matches what the supplier puts online before you make bulk orders. That is one way people burn their finger in Amazon FBA. And those kind of people would come online to tell you Amazon FBA is risky and all of that. Yeah, if you understand what I just told you right now, you take this procedure, you should be fine. So speaking of suppliers, how can you find suppliers? I mean, good suppliers. Once you know what you want to sell, you need to find where to buy it at a reasonable and highly competitive rate without sacrificing quality. You can search for products from places like China because the goods are way cheaper there, but you need to research carefully to avoid scams. Check out websites like AliExpress, 1688, Alibaba, Yugo, Bangu, and Taobao. So the second option is to use local suppliers in the country you are selling in, and that is another option. That way, there is no need for international shipping, but pricing may be higher if you go to order from local manufacturers, but that's probably another option. Some people even export goods from Nigeria to the United States, although that one is out of the scope of Amazon FBA that we are considering proper, because like now it's involving you. I want to limit the scope of this discussion to what you can do passively from your home. You just have to control things and ensure that you don't get your hand burned, and you ensure that you make massive profit in the process. Wherever you choose to buy from, check the seller's review and rating. Check the website's review online. That means if you are buying from maybe like a Taobao, go to places like G2, places like Trustpilot to check that Taobao website. Like, is Taobao website reputable? Is it a scam? Is it reliable? Then you also want to check out the website, especially if it is not among the ones I have mentioned there, because I expect that you can also do your research for other websites. You also want to Google and check out what people are saying about that website on Reddit and Quora and other online forums like that. I'm emphasizing this particular one again. Always request samples before placing large order. Then another thing you should note is that when you find a supplier, negotiate prices down. No supplier is going to give you their best prices upfront, especially if you are buying bulk. If you're buying bulk, if they are selling it for, let's say, $10 and you are buying bulk, you should be able to negotiate for like an $8. You can possibly negotiate it down to like $6 or lower. So once you have a reasonable supplier, buy your stock and prepare to send it to Amazon. So before we talk about how to set up your Amazon seller account, tap the like button if you appreciate me for sharing this knowledge with you here on YouTube rather than selling it as a course to you. So let's talk about how to set up your Amazon account. Now you need to register as an Amazon seller. Go to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign up. You will need one, a valid email address. You will need a phone number that works, and then you will need a bank account that can receive international payments. Don't worry about that. You can use platforms like Payoneer online. You would also need a government issued ID of your own country. That means you can use your NIN, your international passport. Amazon may ask for a video call to confirm your identity, so be ready for that because they don't want their platform filled with spammers and scammers. So now let's talk about how to send your product to Amazon. Since after your account is set up, you need to get your product from the supplier into Amazon's warehouse. This step is crucial because Amazon won't list your product until they have it. When you are ready to ship, number 1, Amazon will give you the address to their warehouse. 2, use a reliable shipping service like DHL or FedEx to send your stock. You can research other ones that might be cheaper, but then you need to be very careful. Number 3, Amazon receives your product, stores it, and then update your inventory on their system. Now, at this point, your product will be live on Amazon and ready to sell to customers. But that is not the end of your Amazon FBA journey. You need to make sales to make money. So let's talk about how to make sales. Since your product is now listed on Amazon, but sales won't happen by magic, like saying abracadabra. No, you will need to get buyers. So here is how to do that. First, you can use Amazon's ad. Amazon has an ad option. You can even use a small budget like $5 to help you get your product to appear in search results. Use product images that are very good. Customers buy with their eyes first before their credit card comes to fall, Use clear, high quality pictures. Then you should also use competitive pricing as a strategy. Check what others charge, and the price to your own product should stand out competitively. So give fast customer responses when customer make inquiry. If your customer ask a question, reply quickly. This can actually improve your ranking on Amazon. Then you can also use social media promotions. You can share your product on Facebook, on Instagram, and on YouTube, or you can do things like ad on these platforms, including Google Ads. Tell your friends also and your families that are abroad, that are in the US or in the country you're trying to sell in, maybe the UK, to spread the word for you. You never can tell. So as sales come in, Amazon handles the shipping for you, customer service and returns. You just watch your money grow. Watching the money grow on your dashboard is not all. You want to cash the money out into your bank accounts in Nigeria here or in whatever country you are watching from. So that's to say, please let me know the country you're watching this video from. Let me have it in the comment section. I would like to know. Okay, so let's talk about how to withdraw your money on Amazon. Amazon pays sellers every 2 weeks. Since they don't send money directly to Nigerian bank accounts, you need maybe Payoneer, a dollar account to receive your payment, maybe like your GTB DOM account, your Union Bank, First Bank, domiciliary bank account. You can walk to your bank and tell them you want a DOM account if you don't already have one. Then you can also get a US bank account. For me, I have a Wells Fargo account that I got from GigPay. If you don't already have a GigPay account to get your dollars payment into, not even only for Amazon FBA, you can use my affiliate link in the description below. So in that way, I'm going to get a small cut when you reach some threshold, but it will cost you ₦0 or $0. Okay, then you can also use other platforms, maybe like Clever or Great. So once you get paid, you can withdraw the money to your local bank account from GigPay or from your domiciliary bank account. You can convert it to Naira. Okay, so I will tell you honestly that Amazon FBA is capital intensive, but one of the very best ways you can make, substantial amount of money online. That is why many guys sometimes collaborate to do it. Let me tell you a few things that can go wrong if you are not careful, so you can safeguard yourself against it and not be naive in the e-commerce marketplace. First, never list a product you don't have in stock. If people buy and you can't deliver, Amazon will suspend your account. Then second, you should avoid selling fake or low quality items. Bad reviews can actually kill your business very fast. And also, Amazon won't keep your stock forever. So if your product doesn't sell after 60 to 90 days, they may remove it or charge you storage fee. Then don't use fake details. People do that and it's quite surprising when you're signing up on Amazon. Amazon is very, very strict about verifications. So if you want to appear as a different entity, you have the option of creating a LLC in the US for your Amazon FBA business. I will explain this in detail, or I have explained this in this other video. You can check it out probably here. If you follow these steps and avoid these mistakes that I have stated, you can build a serious income stream screen with Amazon FBA, even from Nigeria, Africa, or anywhere in the world. This is a real way to earn in dollars, but like any other business, you have to put in a lot of effort if you are serious about making money online with this method. So start today and don't overthink it. So if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. And if this is helpful to you, please like this video. And if you think you would find my channel valuable, don't forget to subscribe and share with someone who you know may actually need this very much. Look up my latest video at this part of the video, and I think I'm going to add a video I think you might be interested in here. So please go and make the moolah. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.